Today on Crypto Line, we'll be discussing how the Dogecoin Foundation has teamed up with Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. After 6 years, the Dogecoin Foundation recently announced that it has now been re-established with a renewed focus to support the Dogecoin ecosystem, community, and to promote the future of the Dogecoin blockchain. The foundation recently tweeted, "Guess who's back?" Emphasizing that it was not going to take control of the Dogecoin core wallet project, the foundation said, "We're here to accelerate the development effort by supporting current Dogecoin core and future Dogecoin developers to work on a full-time basis through sponsorship, as well as providing a welcome landing for new contributors, hoping to help with the project." The Dogecoin Foundation is a non-profit organization that was established in 2014 by some of the Dogecoin team. According to its official website, the foundation was set up to provide support for the Dogecoin cryptocurrency through advocacy and development. The foundation's website lists 4 advisors, which include Jared Birchall, Max Keller, Billy Marcus, also known as Shibatoshi Nakamoto, and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Jared Birchall is a former senior vice president at Morgan Stanley and a close associate of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. He's on the board of the Musk Foundation, and he manages Musk's family office. He will represent the interests of the billionaire CEO on the Dogecoin advisory board. Buterin has previously spoken about a possible collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum. "If we can have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be amazing," he said in June. The foundation board also consists of core developers Ross Nickel and Michi Lumen, along with product and community leads Timothy Stebbing, Gary LaChance, and Jens Weikers. The foundation has noted that in the coming weeks, it'll be announcing new projects that will complement the current core wallet to enable faster integration and easier APIs for financial, social, and charitable projects that wish to use Dogecoin. The foundation has also recently stated its plan to open its headquarters in Liechtenstein. "Currently, we are in talks with people in Liechtenstein to establish a long-term legal entity there," said board member Jens Weikers. Liechtenstein has continued to be crypto-friendly, and as a member of the European Economic Area, it would give the foundation flexibility to operate with other European organizations, they added. The foundation serves as an embodiment of Dogecoin to allow advocacy, support, and defense of Dogecoin to occur, foundation board member Michi Lumens told Decrypt. Although the foundation has existed as a nonprofit organization in the US since 2014, the leadership decided to settle in Liechtenstein because the current regulatory conditions for nonprofit crypto organizations might not be favorable for the foundation. Ever since the inception of the foundation, Jens Weikers has fought off attacks on the brand at his own expense. However, with the foundation's re-establishment and structure, things will now be handled through funds available in the foundation. Now that the foundation has been re-established, a structure is expected to be put in place to hire full-time staff to work on the project. These include engineers who would work towards faster integration and easier adoption for financial, social, and charitable projects. The Dogecoin Foundation has also stated its intention to protect the Dogecoin brand. In recent times, numerous attempts have been made to co-opt the Dogecoin brand in various jurisdictions, and in ways that would prevent the community and the project itself from using them, said the foundation. In recent times, some companies have introduced Doge-themed products, including Unilever's PLC's Axe deodorant that launched a limited edition Doge scent, and Kraft Heinz co-subsidiary Oscar Mayer that auctioned a limited edition of hot Doge wieners on eBay. The organization will also be responsible for defending the Dogecoin trademark to prevent abuse and fraud, and establishing a roadmap and governance for the future of Dogecoin. The foundation said it exclusively holds the Dogecoin mark and the Dogecoin logo and will maintain them for the community. Dogecoin is a first-generation cryptocurrency that features, of course, the Shiba Inu meme and is used to transfer value securely. The choice of this meme was influenced by the desire of the developers to keep the project lighthearted. Like Bitcoin, the primary purpose of Dogecoin is to permit peer-to-peer transactions to take place in a manner that is not censored. Recently, Dogecoin has seen considerable attention from the media due to its high price hikes. Like all first-generation cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin at the point of its creation was basic in functionality. At that time, there weren't any smart contracts, staking, or all the other crypto features that are now common in the market. For these early coins, the primary goal was to create a secure network, and Dogecoin succeeded greatly in that respect, but not without some troubles. An important feature that makes Dogecoin special is the spirit in which its developers wanted the coin to express. Dogecoin, unlike Bitcoin, was not meant to free the masses from oppression. It was also not built to provide an alternative to Bitcoin in the market like Litecoin. Dogecoin was interestingly developed to spread goodwill and fun around the crypto community. Dogecoin brings a couple of benefits with it to the market, and basically you can use the coin to quickly and securely send value to anybody, anywhere in the world. The coin's network has greatly increased over the last few years, and now more and more vendors continue to accept this unique token as a medium of payment. Like Bitcoin, the Dogecoin network is secure and provides real-time consensus. A hacker will need to control about 51% of the hashing power of the network to alter the state of the blockchain. That's very unlikely considering that the current Dogecoin hash rate is 203.97 terahash per second. People who have decided to invest in Dogecoin are advised to desist from a notion that Dogecoin is a bubble waiting to burst. Investors describe a bubble as when the price of a good exceeds its real value. Many people are considering an investment in Dogecoin probably already know that the price of the coin is not backed by much more than the expectation that it will keep getting more expensive. And that speculation is what fuels the bubble. Bruce Mizrak, an economics professor at Rutgers School of Arts and Sciences, said that people buy assets even when they know that they're overvalued because they think that the price will go even higher. And they all think that they can exit before the bubble pops, he continued. It should be noted that everyone is thinking in a similar way. By the time individual investors get into a booming investment, it's often too late, said Kent Baker, a finance professor at American University. The stories and testimonies of people becoming Dogecoin millionaires, buying houses and all, makes the common man experience a fear of missing out. Investors often fall victim to the social bias of herding. That is, they do exactly what the crowd does, believing that everyone else must know more than they do and that there's safety in numbers. Generally, such investors are wrong on both counts, Baker said. In reality, the other people in the crowd believe the same things with just little to back them up. Trying to understand the fundamental valuation of a digital asset is very tricky. With most stocks, you can at least get a price-to-earnings ratio, which tells you what investors are willing to pay for a company for every dollar of its earnings, and that information can help you determine if a company is over or undervalued. However, such a thing doesn't happen with Dogecoin. Professor Mizrak said the rise in the cryptocurrencies is reminiscent of the early stages of the internet bubble, with investors trying to evaluate stocks without earnings. There's still some confusion concerning how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, being so new, how to protect the token from losses and hackers, and how taxes work. Considering all these uncertainties, experts say that people should not invest more into Dogecoin than they can afford to lose. That's because for all that is new, some things never change. There are no free lunches when it comes to investing. Higher expected returns come with higher expected risks. The prices of cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and that means that they are also highly risky. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson.